Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to this channel, guys, where we talk about imports, importing from China to Kenya, guys. And I'm so happy because of your views on my last video. The love on that video is so nice, guys. So as I have been telling you guys, if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, what are you waiting for? You need to join our WhatsApp group so that you can enjoy these deals, guys. When I talk about deals, I talk about you joining our imports group, whereby we're able to import together, guys. As you can see over here, I have a package that I want to unbox with you guys, so that you can be able to see what I have brought in for our group, guys. So tune in so that you can be able to see what we have brought in. It's not a very big package, as you can see. Actually, this package was only 1.8 kgs, so I brought it via air, guys. So you might find when we have orders in the group and they're not so many, we bring them via air. So the way I normally tell you guys, ensure your package has your full details. As you can see, it should have your name, should have your phone number, should have your mode of transport and your country. So this ensures that your package does not get lost. But also, you tend to find the Chinese supplier will give you a tracking number. That tracking number, the tracking number, it's over here. As you can see, this one here, it's the tracking number. So this one also helps you to be able to track your goods in case you don't have a picture or you didn't indicate your items here, guys. So let's unbox together this package that we brought for people in our group and see what we have brought together here, guys. So if you're wondering how this works, we normally import together. We fill the MOQ required, and then after filling the MOQ required, we are able to bring things together. So you're supposed to first pay the cost of the item. After paying the cost of the item, now you're able to pay you'll be able to pay the shipping cost when the goods get to Kenya. Yes, guys. Oh wow, look at that. These are the tripods, as you can see there. These are phone tripods. So they're many over there. As you can see them. Oh wow, we had different colors for this, but most people chose black. Wow, and the quality is so nice. It's supposed to extend. Oh, it can go up, it can go down. Oh wow, I'll figure it out. Oh, it has a shutter over here. It looks like that. It's supposed to extend. Over here, you're able to flip it open so that it can hold the camera, and then you can extend it like that. Yes, and then you can be able to open it like this. So that you can place it like this. And then it has some light here, so when you charge it, you can be able to light it up, and then you can be able to extend it. You can be able to extend it like that. Wow, and the quality is so nice, you guys. I'm so shocked. It's so nice. Look at that. So, and it's very, you can be able to go with it anywhere. Look at that. You just put it like that, put it in your bag, and then you go with it. So as I've told you, it also comes with a charger. It also comes with a charger like that one. So I believe you can be able to charge the light that it comes with. Oh wow. So what I've noticed with our group, most of the time when we do the first order, not so many people are interested because they don't know how the things are, you know, they're just like, now how are these things? Yeah, but the minute the goods land, everyone is in my inbox. Hi Grace, can I get extras? Yeah, unfortunately the extras I sell them at the retail price because you had a chance to be in the group but you didn't participate, you guys, you know. Yeah, so but I'm gonna do a rerun on this order. So as I told you, most people chose, yeah, black. I can see most of them are black. Let me see if we have another color here. We see, I'm super excited, guys. Join our group so that you can see the most amazing deals that we have over there. Yeah, I'm trying to see if we have another color so that I can show you. Hey, most people chose black, by the way. Oh, this is white. This is white. Let me show you how a white one looks. That's how a white one looks. Oh, I'm even tempted to take a white one. Look at that. Oh my god, guys. It's the quality. Yeah, the quality is so nice. So I'm gonna put the link to our WhatsApp group in the description box so that you can be able to join our group. Yeah. So I'm gonna mark this one so that I can be able to, according to the people who had ordered them. Yeah, that's another white. Oh my god, white is so cute, you guys. Yeah. Yeah, and then when we do a rerun, at least when you're bringing them, for the next time you're going to bring, will not bring less than 50 pieces. You're gonna bring more than 50 pieces. Oh my god, this color is so nice. Who chose this color? Wow, look at that. I hope it doesn't look white. It's a light sky blue. Sky blue, look at that. Wow. Hey, who chose this color now? Hey, they chose such a nice color. But I find most people, they prefer to choose black because they're not sure of how the things look like. Yeah, guys. So this was a quick unboxing of this package that has come in. So guys, as I keep telling you, please join our WhatsApp group. As I have told you, it's in the link below. And if you want to have ideas or you want to be shown on how to bring in things from China at good prices, please also reach to me in the number listed below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me see if I have another color that you can be able to see. But I think so it was black, blue. Yeah, that's also another blue. Oh, we have a pink. Yeah. That is a pink. Yeah. So guys, please join our WhatsApp group so that you can be able to enjoy these nice deals, guys. And yeah, let's work together. Let's work together, guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, like the video, please like the video, guys. We are growing. We're on the road to 3K subscribers. I'm so excited, guys. So until the next one, bye bye.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
He never answers me when I call. He makes me feel so lonely.